let's give this a whirl. I don't know whether this is going to work, so we'll see. I'm going to try and help you with error bounds for the change of sign method. I've done this a bit quick, so you'll have to bear with me. It's the end of school on Friday. So this is the graph. You can't see it very well because of this stupid thing in the way. It's a picture, so I can't get rid of that. But it's x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x plus 1, I think. So I've pasted in the Excel work that the students should be producing. In here, look. You can't see the very first table on the far left, where it just shows there's a change of sign between 0 and 1. But you can kind of see that on this first table anyway. I've done a few iterations of it so that we've gone down, so we've got 5 numbers after the decimal point in the far right hand table there, which is this one. Okay, and you can see that there's a change of sign in these two y values here and here. Okay, so what the students will need to do will be what I'm going to write on the next page. So we'll go forward a page. You can just about see that last thing. So the students need to see their final interval. So something like my root, we'll get the right root, lies in the interval and then I need to put these numbers in then 0.81520 comma 0.81521. Therefore my final estimate is x equals 0.81520. 0.5, that's halfway between that interval, and then it's that plus or minus, I'm not going to fit this in, half the distance between these two numbers, alright, which is going to be 0.5 noughts and a 0. 0.1234, oh sorry, not on a 0, 5 noughts and then a 5. Okay, now if they'll get full marks, okay? The problem is when they say they've got the root to 5 decimal places, so they haven't got the root to 5 decimal places. If they just care about this, I would just say that they've done it to a suitable level of accuracy. Alright, I'm going to write that on the board, suitable level of accuracy. I wouldn't go into discussions with the students about why it isn't accurate to 5 decimal places and what exactly that means. I'd just say they've done it to a suitable level of accuracy. They don't even need to necessarily say that, okay? That's what we do for the error bounds for change of sign. Okay, as long as they produce something that looks like that, and they don't say what level of accuracy specifically they've done it to, then they'll get full marks. Alright, I'll record another one of these for Newton Maths and next week.